How to change text to speech in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. After you open your CapCut like this, tap on this option which says text to speech. So after you tap on this text to speech section, so here it will give you option to paste in your script. So all you have to do now, for me now, I'll just go ahead and tap on this story section. So now here is now my script. After pasting your text in this option, here you'll be able now to see different voices. So there is almost 70 voices that you go ahead now and choose from them. There is male voice, there is female voice, and there is characters. So all you have to do now, just go ahead now and preview the voice. Let's say I want to preview this one.
Hi there.
Hi there.
So you can tap on this play button to preview the voice. So for me, I want to use this one. After you select the voice you want to use and tap on this generate button, from there it will start generating your voice. Here is it now. So after it finishes generating your voice, you can tap on this play
In a
button.
small village, a cat named...
So now if you want to edit the voice, you can tap on this to edit section, to edit something. Or if you just want, you can tap on this delete button and delete the only audio button. So now it started downloading my voice. Now the voice has finished downloading. You can tap on this folder button to open the location for you. So now here is my voice. And that's it guys on how to change text to speech in CapCut.